So we want ChatGPT to help us with writing a description for our new YouTube channel, Daily AI Prompts. So let's ask him. Let's say, act as an expert sales copywriter.
Sales copywriter or tag like YouTube channel name.
And sales copywriter and YouTube channel expert. How about that?
Yeah, like that.
Okay, full stop. And then we need from you a name, a description for our brand new YouTube channel called Daily AI Prompts.
Daily AI Prompts, which is about...
Yeah, make a full stop and then start a new channel. We'll share daily videos about how to use ChatGPT.
About what prompts?
Huh.
Prompts we use in ChatGPT for our life and business.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it?
That's it.
Let's see.
Or you can write, yeah, okay. Maybe he'll already do. Oh, compelling YouTube channel description. Nice.
Wait, did we want a channel description or what do we want from him?
What is he writing?
Oh, yeah, description, right. Sorry, I
Yeah.
spaced out there.
This is good.
Here's a compelling YouTube channel description for Daily AI Prompts. Welcome to Daily AI Prompts. Unlock the power of AI with daily actionable ChatGPT prompts to supercharge your life and business. Whether you are an entrepreneur looking to streamline workflows, content creator seeking inspiration, or someone curious about leveraging AI in everyday tasks, we've got you covered. Is it promising too much? We're going to do all that?
Let's try.
Each video delivers practical prompts we use ourselves to boost productivity, enhance creativity, and solve real-life challenges. Subscribe now and join a community dedicated to maximizing the potential of AI. I think I'll take out the join a community.
Okay, then write that. Write that in the chat. Yeah. Take out the community thing, but everything else sounds great. I love it.
I mean, we can also just edit that out, right?
Yeah, but he has to learn, right, from us. So it's also good.
Should we tell him why?
No, that's okay. Or do you know why?
Yeah, because it gives the impression that we have a community.
Well, we're a community,
for
you and me.
people to opt in.
Oh, that's what
you know, like
mean.
joining a community, like paying for free or paid.
Okay.
So, but we don't have that right now.
Right now, no. Maybe down the road.
Who knows?
Okay. All right.
But this is kind of misleading.
And then he just rewrites it, right?
AI for everyone daily. I like that tagline. Ooh, I like that tagline.
Yeah.
Okay, unlock the power of AI, blah, blah, blah. I think that's the same. Each video delivers practical prompts we use ourselves to boost productivity, enhance creativity, and solve real-life challenges.
Subscribe now and discover how easy it is to maximize the potential of AI, one prompt at a time.
Ooh, I like that.
I love it. I think we can use this.
Keeps the focus on what channel offers the... Okay. Should we go for it?
Yeah.
Anything else we want to streamline?
Tell him thank you, we love it. And then we can copy and paste it.
So...
That's it?
That's it. Okay. Done.
Great.